No, I'm having a lot of things in my science careers and my science projects, or everything like that. In my science videos, you know how much I like science, right? I started from a very young age, and if you can watch them on my science videos, in my science, playlist. This will be in the science playlist, by the way. So you know, guys, how much I like science. So I decided to make a video on this amazing discovery 100 billion scientists, which includes one of the greatest physicists and the most brain teaser guy ever, who is Einstein. Stephen Hawking, the Wright brothers, and Jane Goodall, and loads of others. If you want more examples, I'll give you just one more, which is Louis Pasteur. Yeah. And let's get started on this book. Now, this book literally talks all about science and all the sciences I have been trying to study all my life. I've been already trying to study some advanced sciences myself, like probably better than my age, and I am already making my own series. But I don't know. But I never checked the computer if those series are written or not. Yeah. But some of these series are not as famous as all the other series you have heard of, and some of them are like black holes. I have to agree that there is a multiverse theory. There are more and more universes in the world, and there is actually more than a universe. There is a large universe containing all the universes together. Like Stephen Hawking's prediction, like the multiverse theory, I believe there's like a huge universe, multi-universe that combines all the universes that like the multiverse series all together. Yeah, and it also started with a big explosion. And it's like the multi-universes are like the galaxies of the big universe. Get it? No. It's something like that. It's not that advanced. Well, now there are a lot of things I want to say here. I'm just gonna say a few of these inventions though. First of all, there's Edison with his light bulb. He had to use bamboo and all that stuff. And this video might also be an inspiration by Einstein. And then there is this guy named Carl Landsteiner who found out about the blood types A, B, and C. C is now today known as O, which is very rare. So he found out that some bloods, when they're mixed together, they'll go into clumps. Well, some types of bloods don't mix into clumps. And he found out that you have to put the right types, you have to put the same type of bloods together so that it will not clump and kill the patient, that is. And then we have my favorite scientist of all time. No, not that favorite as like Albert Einstein or something, but still, Mendeleev, who created the periodic table. The weird thing is he does not believe in anything he can see. He cannot see. If this was an atom, he cannot see it. And he's like, no, atoms do not exist. And electrons are like, no, electrons do not exist. And he would literally hate anything he would not see. That was discovered but could not be seen. Really annoying, right? Yeah. And then here is like one of the Alan Turing with his code breakers who made coding. And then this is one of his code breakers. And then there is Alexander Graham Bell. It's somewhere right here. Alexander Graham Bell. Oh, here it is. Where he said, Mr. Watson, I want you to do something here. And yeah, literally, it really did happen. And then the evidence of the Big Bang Theory. However, there was a telescope that can find some radiations of the Big Bang Theory, but then they thought that the bird poop from the pigeons and bats were the ones that causing the radiation. They killed the pigeons and bats in return, though. Cut! Okay. Good. They found out that it was actually the radiation that had been predicted, CMB, which is cosmic microwave background, which is what the other physicists have been finding for, which is the Big Bang, which is evidence for the Big Bang. And the Big Bang, they found the CMB, and they were convinced that CMB existed. But they aren't sure if it was CMB. Could have been radio waves, but it turned out it wasn't. And it could have been pigeon poop, but it wasn't. So the best guess theory is that the Big Bang, leftovers of the Big Bang, and all over the world. And then Marie Curie with her radium and polonium experiments. Then the battery experiment. And then some X-ray experiment, which was accidental. And the World Wide Web, where you play Among Us. Minecraft. Alright guys, yeah, everything like that. Roblox. Yeah, literally. And also loads of other games and all that stuff, and how you can code your own websites, World Wide Web, where there's some websites where you can make your own websites, and literally World Wide Web is where you can do literally anything. And also the most invention of all, probably the invention of zero. That's where I want to end all of these invention things. Oh, and one thing, Stephen Hawking's Hawking radiation of the black holes, where black holes shrink and then you can escape the black hole, but in particles, that is. Or you can escape it to another universe, probably. Antimatter and matter, yeah. Dark matter, which glues the galaxies together, and literally everything. Yeah. So yeah, this is basically it for this episode. Now, I want to say here why science is important is that it is a secret key that is still not found entirely yet, that can unlock all the secrets of the universe, where we can find all the answers we want to ask, like a very 100% chanced person who will say everything is correct. Fortune teller would tell us. Yeah. And that's where I want to end this video. Why science is important is because it is the key to the universe, as I said earlier, and that we should never ignore it. People sometimes say science is a bad thing, but however, it is not. Without science, you would not know how to grow your plants properly, or you will not know how to build houses. And also you would not know how to make light except from fire, which might burn your house. And you would definitely not know how to do anything at all about science, about how long it will do, and maths and all that stuff, even schools and all that stuff. You won't even know how to garden stuff properly without killing your plants. That is. Yeah. So this is basically it. I hope you enjoyed this episode as much as I did. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next episode. Junhan out. Peace! And stay tuned for the Big Bang! And the TV show Big Bang Theory! Bye-bye.